back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best USDT mining website. So link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your mailbox, enter the password, enter the confirm password, enter the key password with the invite code, and after filling all the details click on sign. So wait, let me sign up. After signing into the website, here you can see this type of care of the company, and here you can see the customer service company profile guide to make money. I click on customer services, and this is the customer services of the company. Customer service, you can contact if you have any queries related to it. And now I click on company profile, and here you can see this. So here you can see the certificate of incorporation of the private limited, the registered of company for England and Wales, hereby certified that YouTube shows Ltd is this incorporated under the Companies Act, and you can read it carefully. So here you can see guide to make money. Here you can see the guidance. Welcome to YouTube show, the most popular online earning platform. 15 million members make money by doing online tasks every day. 10 USDT for new user. Minimum withdrawal 1 USD. Withdrawal fee 0%. Withdrawal money anytime. Amount is 15 USDT. 5% commission every day. After signing into a restaurant, here you can see invited and task whole section. This is the employee benefit lucky natural game, and you can see this lucky spin, draw to win gift, good gift, so it stop running. This is the invite friend, and you can see the activity rules daily from this 9-12. Sunday is the employee carnival day, and regular employees have the opportunity to drop prizes on the turntable. Employee and VIP ones, and you will get this. You can read it. This is the join the official Telegram channel. You can read this. This is the member section. Here you can see current level employee when your commission, and you can see you can stay tuned, and daily income USDT 1550 days, so 500, 1000, 3000, 5000, 15,000 USDT and 40,000 USDT, and here you can see all this. And so you can read, here is the daily income of the company, and you can read it carefully by doing this. So this is the task section. You can see employee this and this, the 5 general managers. Okay, this is the record section, and here you can see my balance is this, apply, withdraw, recharge balance 15 USDT. This is the team report. Here you can see withdrawal, income and expense, and here you can see this. And now I click on recharge section. Here you can see you can copy this. So wait, I open this, I click on USDT, I click on send. Here I enter this and click on this and click on this. Now I go back to website. Coming back to website, you have to click on submit. So here you can see my balance is updated. Now I will show you the task list section. Task all, I click on task all. So I click on receive, and I click on OK. With the member task section, receive. So here you can see my balance is this 15.7 USD. So wait, now again I click on task, I click on receive. So wait, and this, and click on apply to withdrawal setting, enter current setting, enter the password, and click on save successfully modified. Now I click on bind. Here I enter address, Here I enter the transaction password and click on submit. You can see my withdrawal is submitted. Here I click on member section VIP. This is the employee VIP 1. So the number of mission today mission is completed. So here you can see the task section record doing audit completed and completed. Okay, I open this. So wait. Now I click on apply withdrawal 0.75 and click on withdrawal and confirm. So here you can see less than 1. So I explain all in details. Here you can see the details. This is the team section, task section, you can read and earn. This is the employee section, this is the task section, this is the record section, and I explain all in detail. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.